Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer options. Now we can go back to the general settings and tap on System and Updates. Then let's localize the developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can simulate color space, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, so actually a lot of options to choose from and to personalize. So all you have to do is to tap on the switcher on the option to activate it and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. As you can see, we'll immediately go back to the System and Updates, and the developer options are not visible. Of course, no worries, because you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.